Hello friends, in this video I'm going to take you through a quick process on how to play Lotto power games. I've already made a very long and detailed video about 1 hour on how to play these games. These games are online and they will help you make side income online. So this company has these games you're seeing on the screen in this navigation. There is Power 3, Power 4, Power 5 and Power Spin. It is a registered company here in Uganda and it is registered by URSB and regulated by Lotteries and Gaming Regulatory Board. It is played by people above the age of 18. So you should note that. So to play these games, you need data connection, maybe a phone or a laptop, and you need to be able to afford a minimum stake of Ugandan shillings 500. So let me take you through the process. If you want to see the details of how these things work, even the demonstrations, you can check out that long video. But in this video, I'm going to make it really quick to show you how you can play these games. So I'll first explain how these games are played, and then we can go into the registration process. Right now, we have this navigation here that is used to explore this website. When you click this link, it will take you to Power 3 page, Power 4, Power 5 and Power Spin. Power Spin is a spin and win game. These other games are number games. So if I come down here, this is the preview of the games. These links you see here saying play now. If you click them, they will take you to the games. If you click play now, this will take you to Power 3, this will take you to Power 5. And now Power Spin is a spin and win. So there is a wheel, you spin and win, but you must first stake. All these games you have to first stake. Power 3, you have to predict 3 numbers. The order in which you predict them does not matter as long as the system recognizes them as winning numbers. Power 4, they give you 4 numbers in their wrong order, and they want you to put them to the right order. That's as simple as that. They even show you those numbers, you just need to put them to the right order to win. Then Power 5 is a little bit interesting. There are 5 numbers, they give you 2, you already know them, then they give you a hint of the remaining 3. For example, if the numbers are 1, 2, 3 up to 5, they will show you like 1 to 2, and they tell you maybe the 3 remaining ones, 1 is an odd number or 2 are even numbers, or 2 are odd numbers, 1 is an even number. They give you a hint. So, and these numbers are always from 0 to 9, even for Power 4. The order you predict these numbers for Power 3 and Power 5 does not matter, but for Power 4, the order matters. So, with that said, let me take you through how you can register. Of course, on top here, there's this button saying deposit. Here you will have to deposit from your account to deposit money. So if you want to register and you are new, click any link here. It will take you to the login page. If you have an account and logged out, any link here you click will take you to the login page. From the login page, you can go to the registration page. But if you want to go direct to the registration page, use register or login. This menu will pop up and you can click register. This will automatically take you to the registration page. But if you are logged out or you are new, you can click any link as well. Any link you click here, I'm going to click this. It will take you to the login page, and from the login page there is don't have an account, click here to register. So you can click here go to the registration page. The registration page is as simple as you see. They need your first name, last name, phone number, email address, and password. So the phone number and the email are very important because they will use this to capture your data, maybe to send, you will use your number to log in, you'll use your email to receive these messages, so they are very, very important. And I told you these games are for people above the age of 18. So the date of birth you provide here should make you an adult to qualify to play these games. And when you have filled in everything, you can click sign up to register. If you make any error, these messages will appear and they will be guiding you on what to do. Look out for them in this website. They guide you on what to do, what you've done wrong and what should you do. So when you have filled in everything and it is correct, when you click sign up, they are going to redirect you to a page where they will tell you, actually they are going to send you an email. They will tell you that on that page that they have sent you an email and you need to check your email to verify that account. If you don't verify that account, you can't log in. You need to verify to know that that is a working email and they can use it to communicate with you. So you need to verify the account. So after you have verified the account, you need to log in. So for me, I already have an account, so I'm going to come here. There's this thing that says already have an account. Click here to log in. I'm going to click this to log in. So on the login page, I need to enter in my credentials. Now, in case you forget your password, click this link, forgot password. They will take you to they will take you to a page where they will require you to enter your email, and they will send you an email with instruction to reset your password. Then you can change the password. So I'm going to click login. I'm back to the same page, but now any link you click will take you to that game. So if I click, of course, I'm already logged in, so register login no longer apply here. So if I click play now, this is power spin. It will take me to power spin. If I click play now, it will take me to power spin. So now my internet is slowing down. You need a strong internet connection, but I think it is going to work out. So these are the games. When you log in, they can allow you to come inside the games. Let me go to power 3 and maybe explain it from here. Now, when you log in, the interface on top here remains the same, only that there is this log out button. It means you can log out from here. Another way you can log out, there's this button on top here. If you click this button, it will bring this menu. You can also log out from here. So here there is your account summary. Here the time you are logged in as the number you used while registering. There is account balance, cash balance, account, and deposit. Of course, deposit, if you're going to deposit money. Account, it works as the same. If you are on a desktop, this account is visible, but on a phone it won't be visible. So you can rely on this button because in your mobile phone it will be there. It shows this account. Withdraw funds, you can withdraw. Deposit, you can deposit. Cash deposit, you can deposit within the app. Update details, you can change your details. There are these other links. If you click, they will appear: about us, contact us, help, and info. So now this account summary has these two important things. There is account balance and cash balance. Cash balance is where the money you deposit goes. This is the money you're playing. If you play, the money will be deducted from here. If you win, the money will be added on this account balance. Account balance, before the money comes on account balance, you cannot withdraw. So right now I have 8,000. It means I can withdraw. And during the withdrawal process, they allow you to withdraw a minimum of 5,000. That is because there are some charges as you are withdrawing, because you are making transactions via online. So now if you withdraw an amount lesser than that, you receive little money. So to make sure you receive a significant amount of money, you have to make sure you have 5,000 and above to start withdrawing. You can also deposit from account balance to cash balance. How? If you click this account button or this button, it is going to bring this menu, and the link you need to click is cash balance. If you click it, it will take you to the cash balance. You need to enter the amount. If I enter 2,000 and click deposit, now it has deposited 2,000 from here. I had 4,000, now it is 6,000. It has reduced this. So that's how you deposit from the app. If you want to deposit from your phone, click this button or click that button you saw in black. Right now it is in white, but it does the same thing. Click this deposit funds link. If you want to withdraw, click there. Both withdraw and deposit, they will ask you for number and amount. Of course, if you're on deposit, it is the number you want to get money from into this application. If you're on withdraw, it is the money you want to send that money to, because you are getting it from here to that money. That number does not necessarily have to be yours. Any number that is registered on your mobile money. When you deposit, they will send you a message to enter the PIN. After you've entered the PIN, your money will appear on the cash balance. So we said power 3 is you predict 3 numbers. You need to first enter the amount to play here. You need to place the bet. All these games, you need to place the amount to play first. So you place your amount to play, you enter the numbers, you predict 3 numbers and confirm. So there are these hints that will be popping up here. Now they are telling you number should be 0 to 9. These are hot numbers. Hot numbers give you a hint of what might be the winning numbers. For sure, you will have either 1 or 2 numbers in these. So they will give you a hint. These games, that's how either these games are. So there is this statement that says stay alert. They are jackpots. So these games, they have jackpots. Jackpots will always have a higher stake and higher amount to win. You will know that there are jackpots. If there are jackpots, that statement will change. They will be telling, this statement will change. They will be telling you the minimum amount to stake and the amount to win. And also here there will be a button that will always tell you to go and play jackpot. The logic does not change for the jackpots. It is the same. If it is power 3, the logic for the jackpot is the same. You have to predict 3 numbers. If it is power 4, that is the same. So when you go to power 4, it is the same thing. Your account summary is there. There is this statement. I didn't read that for power 3, but that, you can go and read it. In this statement for power 4, they show you those numbers, the wrong order. In fact, here they are saying the unordered. These are the numbers 5079. They show them to you. So that is the unordered numbers. So you need to put them to order. 5079. You need to enter the amount you want to play and put in the right order. The order in power 4 matters. If you get the order correct, you win. Now, I told you about the jackpot. This is how you know that you can play for a jackpot. For example, right now there is this statement here and it has the button at the end. It says play for jackpot here. So when I click here, I'm going to play a power 4 jackpot because I'm on power 4. So it means right now we can play a jackpot on power 4. So now the other statement changes. For example, now they're saying place 10k and win 30k. It would be higher than that. So they tell you the minimum to stake and the amount to win. I think that is all for power 4. Then when we go to power 5, the logic is also almost similar, even there is a jackpot here. But for power 5, they give you need 5 numbers to win, but they give you 2 of them. For example, here they are giving us 3, 5. Now, you need to place the amount to play, and they are telling you that 2 are even numbers, 1 is an odd number. They are even showing it to you here. So you already know that 2 are even numbers, 1 is an odd number, but these 2 are odd numbers. So your chances of winning are increasing, because from this 0 to 9, the odd numbers have reduced. So you need to choose from either 1 or 7 or 9, because they are the only remaining odd numbers. Now, after predicting your numbers, you click confirm to finish playing to see the result. They will show you the winning numbers. You will know whether you have won or lost. Now, what happens when you win? For these number games, power 3, power 4, power 5, when you win, if you placed 1,000 here, I told you the minimum you can play is 500. If I put 400 and I click confirm, they will tell me the minimum bet is 500. If I put 500, of course, if I bet 1,000 and I win, they are going to double this. But this money, when you win, is going to go on the account balance. So if I won by staking 1,000, I would get 2,000 and would be added here. So I will end up with 8,000. This money, I repeat, it is the only withdrawable money. If it is here, it is your investment. This is your return. Now, let's go to the last game, which is power spin. For power spin, it is the most interesting game you will find in these games. You must win. It is a must that you must win. For example, in this game, the maximum amount of money is 20,000. So, you are not going to play for only money on this game, no. You are going to find there other things like phones, laptops, maybe headsets, all those physical things you're going to play for them. Right now, on this, they are only cash prizes. Of course, these animals, you already know when you hit those animals, you won't have won. So now, you see there is this field which says your prize will appear here. After spinning, if you win this to 20,000, it will appear here. And you need to click claim prize to claim it. But this claim prize button will work for you only for physical prizes. For example, if you found here a fridge, this would work. Why doesn't it work for the cash? It would work for cash, but when you win cash and you click this button, it will tell you that you've already claimed your prize. Why? When you win cash, the wheel, when you win cash, the wheel automatically adds it on your account balance. For example, if you won 5,000, 5,000 will be added here. I'm going to demonstrate for you. But if you won a fridge, it will appear here. You click claim prize, and they will take you to a page where you have to fill a form, and you have to choose on how you want that prize. For example, you might win a phone when you have a phone and you don't want a phone, so they give you the box. You have to click and choose whether you want a physical prize as in a phone or you want cash. They will even show you how much that phone is worth. If it is 500, you can say for my I want 500. They will add that money on your account. If you want the phone, you can you put in fill the form. They will allow you to fill the form, fill the details on how you want to receive the phone, where you want that phone to be received, and you send the request. And now, of course, even if you choose cash, you have to click that button to send request so that it can be added here. If you enter your details and you want it physical, you click send request. They will receive that message and they will send your prize according to the details you provide. So let me demonstrate quickly and I end this video. So I'm going to place the amount play, because if I place spin now, they will tell me to enter the amount play first. I'm going to enter 2000 to 1000. I click spin. Now they are saying the minimum bet is 2000. Why is that on this game while other games are set to the minimum of 500? This is because on this wheel you'll find even some more expensive games. I don't know, they might even increase this stake depending on the value of these prices. Imagine you stake 2000 and won 20,000. That would be a great business for you, because you would have invested less and got high. So that is why this stake is high. So let me make sure I have the minimum stake, and I'm going to click spin. It's telling me the wheel is ready. Start spinning now. I'm going to click spin again, and now the wheel starts spinning. It's spinning down here. It is telling me that it is spinning. Now it has stopped at 5,000. So I want you to see what has happened. It says, congrats, Ugandan shillings 5,000 has been added to your account. Please spin again. Now, what was 6,000? It's now 11,000, but they reduced 2,000 from here. And I want you to see what I was telling you. The price will be displayed here, whether it is a phone or cash. But when I click claim price, since it is cash, look at this message. It is saying it appears this price has already been claimed by you, because it has already been added here. So that's why this button is not so essential for cash prices, but for physical prices it is very, very important, because it is the one you click when you want to request your price. If I click again, if the stake remains there and you click again, they will again deduct from here and they will allow you to spin again. If you click spin, it is going to spin, and where it stops, it's what you win. Now I didn't win anything, so I still have my 2,000. I will try my luck again. Spin. This game for sure you're going to win, because so far I have lost 2,000 but have won 5,000. So right now I've won 2,000. In total I've won 7,000 but have lost 2,000. You get that? So right now if I click again to play, they won't allow me because I no longer have the amount to play. So now I think you know the difference between account balance and cash balance. When you win, the money goes here. When you stake, the money comes from here. So I think that's it, and I'm almost coming to the end of this video. You can experience with these links. For example, this link that says send us a message, when you click it, it takes you to the contact form, where you can find the contacts, the WhatsApp numbers, and the Facebook pages, plus the email. You can use this button, click these other links, click contact us, it will bring you to the same page. You can click the same button. Let me go to power 3, this button, click other links, click head up info. Here you can read about this, how to play power games, how to create an account, so when you click this plus, these things expand and you can read from there. So I think all other things, if you want to see all the details on these games, watch that long video. Now before I end this video, I want to show you how this website looks on a mobile. All those things I've explained you'll do them the same way, but the layout on the mobile phone or a tablet will change. I don't think for the tablet it will change a lot, but for the phone it will change. For example, you are seeing now, this is how this website will look on your phone. You will no longer have the other navigation. Instead, you will have these two buttons, the deposit and menu. So here you can deposit, here you can click menu. Now this is your navigation. If you are not registered, any link you click among these will take you to the login page. You can click close to go back to the home page. Now any link you click here, but on the mobile, as for me, I prefer clicking this register or login. Some of these other things you can explore for yourself. And now if I'm not registered, I will click register, and this is the registration form. If I want to go to the login, I already have an account, I click login, and you can log in here. For example, if I log in, I logged outside, I show you how you can log in here. Sorry, incidentally I clicked to go to reset my password. This is what you will do. If you forgot your password, you would click that link that says forgot password. You come here, enter your email and send email. You don't have an account, click register. I'll go back to register. I am supposed to go to login. You log in with your number. Now I'm clicking login, and now I'm back to the home page. But since I'm logged in, now any link I click, if I want to go to power spin, this is how the power spin looks on a phone. The wheel is quite small. The things you experience there are the same, only the layout. It is only the layout that changes. Now, in mobile, you rely mostly on these buttons. The menu button, now you see your account has shifted and is hidden under this. So you have to click menu to come and see your account. Maybe you want to see your account balance, you want to deposit, you want to log out. The same here. For logout, you have seen there, but you can also depend on these bars here, these three bars you are seeing here. If you click this, it is going to bring this menu. You can update details, you can deposit cash, you can withdraw, you can log out, you can click in this link to show these links. I think the mobile, it is quite understandable. You can even go to power 3. This is how it looks. And I caution you that when you are playing, make sure, since you are in mobile, of course you won't, but in a laptop, it is easier to make sure you see your account balance and where you are playing from. But in mobile, you can make sure you see these and these. Then later you can come and check whether you have won, how much you have won. But you already know that for number games, you win. You know, when you win, they double your stake. Now, for power spin, when you win, they give you what you win is that. Even in mobile, you will see this play for jackpot button. It will be there. And make sure you read this statement. Yeah, I think that's all for these games. I'm going to log out and go back to the home page. And now I think that is it for this video. If you want to see all the details, check out for the long video, and please play responsibly because lottery can be addictive and psychologically harmful to your health. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.